If you thought that how the heck did I created this from this, and if you are thinking making this is going to be hard, let me prove you wrong. Now let's open up Blender, delete the cube, get a plane, and then get a text prompt as well, because this is going to be a logo, so we need text. So since my channel's name is water polygon, so we are gonna take W and P and water polygon, then just pick a favorite font that you want, and now the fun really begins. We do have to save our file now, because let's be honest, we don't want anything to happen to it, because Blender doesn't crashes that often nowadays, but it has a probability. Since as you guys know, there was a swastika in my logo, I am going to change that and going to get a round shape, like a glowing ball that's gonna hover around in my logo to get a nice glow on the sphere that I have created over here. Just going to add a color ramp and going to add a noise texture into it. Just gonna adjust it a little bit, since we will need a outline, because we are making a logo that's going to look like 2D. So making this is easy, because the way I'm gonna use is seriously ancient, like every video game has ever done this before me. So first we're going to duplicate the mesh, and then we're just going to go to the modifiers and get a cylindrify modifier, then going to flip the normals and also go to texture and change some settings over here. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to every other object over here. If you guys are thinking that what the heck I'm doing over here, I'm not manually doing it, I'm just Control L clicking everything, because you can link materials and also modifiers using this. This is a really shortcut technique to do this. Now for the mountains, I'm using A&D landscape. I know A&D landscape was built into Blender, but recently they have just took it out. You can download it from Blender extensions, which is a free source by the way. And also I am not using A&D landscapes, because A&D landscapes are a little bit heavy on your system. So I am using a custom mountain that I have sourced from somewhere in the internet. I don't know it. It's a really old model, and I have forgotten where did I download it from. And now since I cannot duplicate everything and use the same technique, I'm going to use the latest technique that Blender has. Just going to get a grease pencil over here. Grease pencil does the work real nice, but there is a flaw, like it's kind of heavy as well. It's going to chop down a little bit of your render time, but not that much. At this point everything is going to look really good. If not, then comment down below and go to my Discord server. I will tell you guys everything how I did this in more detail if you guys need it. So see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. I know saying this is boring now, but please do it. Bye bye.